Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today, we're going to talk about something really cool called machine learning. You might have heard the term before, and it can sound a bit complicated, but trust me, the basic idea is actually pretty simple. Imagine you're trying to teach your dog a new trick, like shake. You don't just tell them once and expect them to get it, right? You show them what to do, and every time they get it right, or even close, you give them a treat and say, "Good boy, Jew girl." They learn by seeing examples and getting feedback. Well, machine learning is kind of like teaching a computer in a similar way. Instead of teaching a dog with treats, we teach a computer with data. Lots and lots of information. And instead of saying "good boy, girl," we have the computer learn patterns and make predictions based on that data. Think about spam emails. You know, those annoying messages that try to sell you things or trick you. How does your email know to put them in the spam folder? That's often thanks to machine learning. Here's a super simple example. Imagine we want to teach a computer to tell the difference between pictures of apples and bananas. We would feed the computer tons of pictures of apples labeled apple and tons of pictures of bananas labeled banana. The machine learning brain inside the computer looks at all these pictures and starts to notice patterns. It might learn that apples are often round and red, though they can be green or yellow too, while bananas are usually long and yellow. After seeing enough examples, the computer gets pretty good at recognizing new pictures. So, if you show it a picture it's never seen before, it can likely tell you whether it's an apple or a banana based on the patterns it learned. That's the basic idea of machine learning. We give computers data, they learn from it, and then they can make predictions or decisions without us having to explicitly program every single step. This simple idea has led to some amazing things, like the recommendation systems on Netflix and YouTube, voice assistants like Siri and Alexa, and even self-driving cars. That's it for today's simple explanation of machine learning. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy-to-understand tech explanations. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.